Hey guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. As we all know by now, it's Pride Month and there are rainbows everywhere. So many rainbow looks. So I decided to do something different. Instead of doing a single rainbow look, I thought to break the rainbow down into all its colors and then take each color and create a monochromatic look. It's day 5 and today we're going to be playing with blue. If you haven't seen my previous videos, do check them out. All the links will be down below in the description box. So let's get right into today's look, guys. So I know this may look a little, but that will be fixed in due time. I just threw on my foundation and all that stuff to save time and so that I can focus on the eyes. So before we jump into the palette, I'm just going to take my LGBTQ Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So now I'm just patting in the product. Now I'm taking this tray from my Makeup For You Professional palette, which has been like my go-to for this series. I'm just gonna take this blue shade right here. I am worried about fallout. I'm gonna try to be super careful, so I'm just going to pat this on. So this brush isn't doing what I need. We're going to make it work, okay? Do I have any fallout? No. Moving on. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a pale blue or turquoise. I'm gonna use that to blend. This is the softest blending I have ever done in my life. I am being so careful. Now I'm gonna take the Misunderstood palette from ColourPop and I'm taking the shade Fades, which is really dark and really pretty. Look at that blue. I'm just going to pat this directly on my lid. Now I'm taking the same brush I used earlier but without any extra product. I'm going to just blend. Now I'm going to take Fades again from the same Misunderstood palette with this teeny brush. Just don't mind the color, that's like, it's clean. So now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to blend out the lower lash line area. So now I'm taking my Classic Makeup pressed powder in the shade Pure Light. So next up, my mascara. So I'm not going to be doing any falsies today. So for my waterline, I'm taking my Ever Beauty eyeliner. Okay, that's enough. Alright guys, so now I'm going to move on to bronzing my face and all that stuff. Again, I don't have blue lipstick. Honestly, at this point, I think I have a problem. But I'm gonna use this ultra glossy lip from ColourPop. This shade is Sad But True. That's close enough. Yep. Now to highlight. Whoop. I'm gonna be using this body glitter, Glitterly Obsessed. This is from ColourPop as well, the Disney Villains collection. This shade is Anomaly. This is what it looks like. This is a body glitter, but your face is part of your body. So to highlight my nose and forehead and all that stuff, I'm gonna take this Super Shock highlighter. This shade is You Idiots, You Fools, You Imbeciles. So last but not least, setting spray. how this one turned out. And so this one is dedicated to all the beautiful queens out there, all our gorgeous drag queens. You guys are so talented, so I don't have any words. But yeah, this is dedicated to you for being so fabulous and awesome. And yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. If you haven't already, do turn on bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow with another look. Bye.